Hello viewers, welcome to Secret of Pleasant Life channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the important dimension of life. Please stay with me till the end of the video. See, there comes a time in most of the people's life when he seeks happiness in the mind because what he expected in life that did not happen. So breaking expectations is a form of seeking peace of mind or happiness in the mind. Now the question is why that happens. You can say, I have a lot of money, I have social respect, etc. etc. Despite having so much, why did this happen? The simple answer is not having the feeling of running your own life. You need to understand that an accident can be happened if you cannot drive the car properly. Similarly, the direction of drive life needs to be known in the right way. The easiest way to know your mind is to see the sun. When the sun rises in the morning, its heat is low, but the heat of the sun intense at noon. Gradually the sunset reaches its peak at noon. Similarly, if you try to know your mind in the initial stage, mind is always in confusion because nature of mind is to be in confusion all the time. Thoughts have to be explained to the mind by reasoning. Mind will accept your acceptable ideas only. Naturally, your accepted ideas need to be clear. Otherwise, the mind will accept the wrong arguments. Now, the matter is to understand the mind. You must have a clear idea which you need to convey to your mind. You have to understand it. Having a clear idea of something does not mean you have to go into it. You have to realize the consequence of that work. People die by eating poison. You do not need to eat poison to understand it. It is enough for you to feel that people die by eating poison. Once these clear feelings can understand your mind will tell you for a lifetime that eating poison is dangerous for you. But the mind will be confused when you give this message to the mind, whether people die or not by eating poison. Here the mind did not get any clear idea from your thoughts. In reality, most people's ideas are hesitant. For this reason, they are unable to give clear message to their mind. All the things that give temporarily happiness is what people think will last forever. When the temporary happiness ends, the period of sorrow begins. The mind then becomes confused again. Then the search for peace of mind begins because life is now full of unhappiness. I make the point clear with an example. The sexual desire of every normal human youth increases due to hormonal changes. Then having sex seems to be the biggest thing in their life. In fact, this sex brings a lot of happiness to their life. It is then they make up their mind in thought that the highest happiness in life is found in sexual activity. Only by focusing on this one side, others important dimensions of life loses importance. though they are very important for a happy life. When sexual desire tends to decrease in life, then life feels imperfect. Mind then agree with these feelings. You need to realize the meaning of life. Until you understand, until then, it is not possible to be happy all your life. You may have noted that some people seek happiness by thinking religiously all their lives. In fact, these people have been leading an imperfect life. In spite of having sufficient religious knowledge, other dimensions of life remain elusive to them. There may be controversy over this, but this is the reality. If only religious thought keeps someone happy forever, that's fine, because the only goal in life is happiness forever. It may happen in some people's life, I don't know, but most people's life are not like that. See, the job of the mind is to create a confusion all the time. No matter what decision you make in life, you have to keep it in your thoughts. So try to understand every dimension of life. Think about what work you are doing today and what impact can that have on your future life. This is the way to know life and happiness of mind. This is why the feeling of life will increase gradually and you will be able to give a clear idea to your mind. Your life be peaceful. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video.